Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to see all emails in your Outlook inbox. If you've noticed that some of your emails seem to be missing or hidden, it's likely due to a feature called Focused Inbox that automatically sorts your messages. Let's walk through how to disable this and view everything in one place. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account to load in your emails. This step is essential as you need to be signed in to access your inbox settings and make any changes to how your emails are displayed. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to fully load all your messages and sync with the server. Once your emails have loaded, navigate to your inbox pane on the left side of your screen. Here's where you'll need to check if the focused inbox feature is enabled. This is an often overlooked feature that you might have forgotten to turn off from a previous session. Focused Inbox automatically separates your emails into two tabs, Focused and Other, which can make it seem like emails are missing when they're actually just in the Other tab. This feature is designed to prioritize important messages, but it can sometimes hide emails you actually want to see. To view all your emails in Outlook without this separation, head to the View menu located on the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. Click on the View tab to open up the viewing options available for your inbox. This menu contains various settings that control how your emails and folders are displayed. Under the View tab, simply click the Show Focused Inbox button to toggle this feature off. When you click this button, you're essentially disabling the automatic sorting that divides your inbox into two separate sections. Once disabled, all your emails will appear together in a single unified inbox view, making it much easier to see everything at once without having to switch between tabs. After clicking this button, your inbox will refresh and all your emails, both focused and other, will now be visible in one continuous list. This gives you complete visibility of every message that's arrived, ensuring nothing gets overlooked or accidentally ignored because it was sorted into a different tab. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Focused Inbox and can now see all your emails in one place. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.